We do it every night.
Like clockwork.
Do it. Run your dishwasher every night with Cascade Platinum. Certified dishwashers use less than 4 gallons of water per cycle, while hand washing uses that every 2 minutes. So do it with Cascade, the surprising way to save water.
Introducing stylish dishwasher magnet signs from Assured Signs. The only thing worse than not knowing if the cups in your dishwasher are clean or dirty is asking yourself that question after you've already used it. Clear up any confusions with a clean, dirty dishwasher magnet. This magnet is perfect for busy families, couples, or roommates who need more organization in the kitchen. Its strong magnet, optional adhesive, and durable acrylic won't budge. And it holds up against the toughest messes in use. With 5 stylish designs, the Clean Dirty Dishwasher Magnet is perfect for every kitchen. The Clean Dirty Dishwasher Magnet. Get yours today.
For some people, this is clean enough. But why settle for clean when it could be finished? When you want more than just clean, there's Finished. Finished Quantum's breakthrough 3-chamber technology combines to scrub, degrease, and shine your dishes. Switch to Finished Quantum, because it's not clean until it's finished.
Once you've created your preferred brushing experience, place the brush in your mouth and gently bite down on the brush head. Press and release the power button again to start brushing. With a continuous biting motion, move the brush in a circular motion. Alternate between clockwise and counterclockwise rotations to effectively reach the gum line and back molars. Wait for the autobrush timer session to end automatically or hold the power button to end manually.
ABS plastic shell, large LCD screen display, large buttons, 1 multiply AAA batteries. The stand is easy to place. You can use it by flipping the side switch. Press the start button to start timing. Press the sec button to move the second hand. Press start again to restart the countdown. No need to reset. With the suction magnet, it can be affixed to the refrigerator at home and on iron-containing objects. The perfect timer for homework, exercise, cooking, learning, games, and classrooms.